previous video, I spoke about finite and infinite numbers. If this is your first time watching my video, consider following my page and subscribing to my YouTube channel to be notified whenever I upload a new content. So, let's talk about complex numbers. Complex numbers. Complex numbers are numbers that have two components, a real part and an imaginary part, usually written as z equal to a plus bi, where a is the real part, b is the imaginary part, I is the imaginary units. I here is equal to root minus 1. I square will be equal to, just use the 2 to cancel the roots and then you're left with minus 1. So I square is equal to minus 1. Let's say we have an example. Example 1, 3 plus 4i. 3 here is the real part, 4i is the imaginary part. Let's say we have another example. Example 2, 2 plus 5i. 2 will be the real part, 5i is the imaginary part. These are just the basics of complex numbers, and there is so much to do to explore, including operations like addition, multiplication, and even how complex numbers are used in real-world applications like engineering, physics. We will dive deeper into these topics in future videos. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting lessons. Bye.